Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before moving on with the vlog of Marlin today, I want you to take two very simple actions. Easy to do, my friend. You're going to be happy to do it for me. No, I'm just teasing you. The first action is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. And as well, press the bell notification to get notified when I release new video. And the most important is to spread a love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school for great, awesome content of value made by who? Chez Satoshi. A name to remember in your head. Just remember Chez Satoshi and associate to crypto. So let's go jump to the vlog of Marlin today. I just thought about this project while I was watching a great video and playing my great at 6 Infinity games on daily basis, and I decided to create a video about it because sometimes you need to watch other people contents to be inspired to discover great thing. Otherwise, because time is a limited resource, sometimes you need to feel inspired. So I feel inspired to talk about Marlin today. So today, what is Marlin? Accelerating decentralized communication. Pretty straightforward, with a beautiful fish, with beautiful graphics moving around with dots. An open protocol that provides a high-performance programmable network infrastructure for DeFi and Web3. So the core of the project, an open protocol that provides a high-performance programmable network infrastructure for DeFi and Web3. Web3 basically it's made the layers with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and decentralizations. The unglamorous underbelly of decentralized economy. Here's two words that never came across. Unglamorous underbelly of decentralized economy. Every day I learn something new on this space, and this is really excite me because when you stop learning, you die. So every day you need to grow, every day you need to take action, every day you need to do a purpose on this planet. So it's cool to be able to learn while doing this vlog and share this knowledge at the same time. Marlin addresses today pressing concern at layer 0. So what the concern of layer 0? Scalability. Unreliable network and long block propagation delays are the key factor limiting blockchain throughput. This is cool. This is really true, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have roadblock and limitation. So you need to work on scalability. Decentralization. The number of nodes in a blockchain are often restricted to small number of guaranteed low confirmation times. Anonymity. The pattern of packet propagation through a peer-to-peer network reveal the origin of the transaction. So they have three major problems that they want to tap into: scalability, decentralization, and anonymity. So Marlin SDK, robust peer-to-peer networking designed for performance and security. All-throughput blockchain, priority gas auctions, decentralized storage, and high-frequency trading. It's pretty cool, huh? They have a lot of graphic, but they change, like if you take the verse. So when you have hyperthrough blockchain, larger I have the time to read. Larger network, high throughput, low confirmation time. Priority gas action, metadata privacy, plug and play. Oh my god, I cannot go as much faster. Flexible integration. They should put a timer of 20 seconds each. Decentralized storage, extensive architecture, long frame experience, plug and play, and high frequency trading, incentive collaborative blockchain agnostic. Hey, come on. No protocol change required. So this, they need to probably modify to put it at 20-25 seconds to let the peoples to breathe a little bit, because it's exhausting when you try to pay attention with the information presented to in front of you and say, I can understand. Your brain is going to explode. I'm just teasing you, my friend. Let's keep going. So the Marlin Foundry. Our decentralized network and programming router enable you to launch your own anonymity network. This is really cool. Mesh network and Chainman Mixnet. Wow, it's pretty cool. And VPN, you can start your VPN with the Marlin inventory. Pretty cool. So you can do a lot of things with this beautiful technology of Marlin. So basically, networking bandwidth, leverage an existing node network for added security. Flexible incentivization, use your own token for payment and governance. Extensive exchanges, deploy customized routing rules on the Marlin virtual machine. I think VM probably is a virtual machine. I'm not quite sure because I'm running right now this project while recording this vlog. So the Metanode, enabling decentralized high-performance communication. Pretty cool. Metanode all across the globe share bandwidth to support network build using Marlin Foundry. Metanode are incentivized to relay a packet in exchange for fee. So you get money if you buy, not buy, but if you want to install a Metanode. I'm going to cover a later section on this vlog, my friend. So what news on Marlin, the latest article on the blog. Marlin raised $3 million to improve peer-to-peer networking. Pretty cool. Research and development, so you need always improve your product or services to the world to bring value. Byzantine-resistant networking protocol feature, ODSBR. Marlin for the initiative with illustration. Pretty cool. So let's go jump to the next sections. I need to take some coffee before moving on. Please subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. Press the smash like button. Psh, psh, psh. Press the bell notification. Bing, bing, bing to get notified when new videos coming up. So as well, the most important, spread love about this great channel at your workplace and the street as code for great, outstanding content of value made by ou chez Satoshi. So raison d'être. Oh, a word in French. Probably this is a. So they bring it to the English, this raison d'être. Pretty cool. I love to see a word in French, my native language. Bonjour, ça va bien les amis? I just want to share that I'm speaking French. Je parle très bien français. So the next big thing is the one that makes the last thing usable. Blake Ross, co-author of Mozilla Firefox. Pretty outstanding. Blake Moss, co-author. So the next big thing is the one that makes the last thing usable. So Pigeon Printing Press, the internet, it's undeniable that increasing efficiency and communication have created enormous value. Marlin process Marlin is the fastest fish on the planet, reaching speed of 129 km an hour unnoticed to all but a few. Wow, 129 kilometers the Marlin. So however, in this area of Internet of Value with blockchain promising to be the anchor of trust, communication bottleneck have pleasure user experience. We believe that as the Web 2.0, networking was emerged as a crucial backbone of decentralized economy. Likewise, our mission is to make Web 3 experience fast, trustless, and secure by reimagining the networking architecture underneath blockchain. Committed to open standard, Marlin that redefines scalability, resiliency, and decentralization at layer 0. This is really important. I'm going to read again because this seems to be the core mission of Marlin, what they bring, what the vision of what they want to bring to this world. Likewise, our mission is to make Web3 experience fast, trustless, and secure by reimagining the networking architecture underneath blockchain. Committed to open standard, Marlin redefines scalability, resiliency, and decentralization at layer 0. So all the contributors, you can read the name and the supporter of this. If you want to join, you can get in touch with your email and question even more question. Let's go jump to the next question. So this is a session of Marlin. I'm just going to read this part, and then if you want to dig deeper, you can do it on your own. You're going to find the link of Marlin under this vlog, so you can do your own research and get in touch, because probably they have a lot of information that can take us hours to digest, probably, because this is very technical, producer, receiver, blah blah blah. So let's focus on the introductions of the Marlin part of the documentation. Introductions. Welcome to the Marlin documentation portal. If you are new to Marlin, then you are in the right place. This document provides details about how Marlin protocol works and you can use Marlin. This document is constantly updated with the latest updates and developments in Marlin's protocol. Developers looking to build on the Malin network can start with the Multicast SDK. To understand the specification of Malin protocol, check out the specification docs. Overview. Marlin is an open collection of protocol and relative library to provide high-performance network infrastructure and decentralization. This is really important to understand. Marlin is an open collection of protocols and relative libraries that provides high-performance network infrastructure for decentralized system. What does Marlin give you? Speed. The Marlin network is able to achieve global latency of below 150 milliseconds. This is really fast. This enables developers to build high-performance, responsive, distributed system, including blockchain and the app. Scale. The Marlin network can scale to large number of nodes without compromising on performance. Developers are no longer limited to the finite capability of a single node. Finite capability of a single finite. What can I build using Marlin? Some examples of the things you can build using Marlin include a blockchain sidechain with closed block times, a validator network with much shorter run, an efficient and performant outdoor relay system for DX, a performant live streaming services. Oh, pretty cool. A performant live streaming services, a scalable Internet of Things data marketplace, a push notification system for the app, a responsive multiplayer game. How do I get run a cluster and participate in our testing? So let's go jump to the next sections. Before moving on, I need to take some coffee for the love of crypto and coffee. I want you to take two very simple rules. The first one is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Press the smash like button if you enjoy this content. And the most important, press the bell notification to be notified when new videos are coming out. I produce 7 videos a week from Monday through Sunday, every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And as well, another great thing you can do is to spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school for great outstanding content of value made by Satoshi. You have all my gratitude. So, the scale protocol at layers 0, not 1 or 2, 0. Modern network layer adversaries test novel packet propagation technique, stimulate economic incentive, develop blockchain integration, and more. You can apply for a grant. We provide Pound and USD grant to developers and researchers interested in furthering our missions. Career. Apply for a full-time position with our development partners in Bangalore, Singapore, and San Francisco. If you want to get in touch, they are present in many places like Telegram, I think, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. So let's go jump to the next section. The Metanode. Make Web 3.0 sustainable. Run Metanode. Monetize your bandwidth by serving and validating Malin network. They have a mistake here. They need to fix that on this page. Who should run a Metanode? Whether you are a professional miner or a blockchain enthusiast interested in securing your favorite network, you can never go wrong by running a Metanode. Miners and validator. Metanode unlock a stable revenue source for hashers, mining pools, and professional staking companies at negligible extra cost. Full node altruistically at... Oh my god, I need difficulty to pronounce this word. Altruistically. I'm not quite sure if my spelling is good. It's the first time I come across through this word. 4 blocks and transactions today. It'd be nice to get compensated instead. Botting entrepreneur. Blockchain distributed network BDN have raised 10s of millions of USD. What if you could launch a BSD and a single click? Pretty cool. Not quite sure what is it, but seems interesting. How to run a Metanode. Joining an open network has never been easier. Stake, lend token, and stake it to join and slash upon misbehavior. Join node may join one several decentralized or closer relay. Forward packet are forwarded upon arrival based on mutual rules. Get starting user Malin CTL. Reward distribution. So Metanodes are rewarded with pound, raffles, and blockchain native coin. Pound reward pool. To ensure a fair distribution of Lin token, Lin allocation toward raffle have been reserved for different public blockchain. Nano payment. Each protocol independently decide how and who amongst foundation miners and users will compensate relayers. Warning path. Non-forward blocks and transaction to other nodes using the lowest latency path to ensure maximum fee trigger to them. And raffle. Node and the path that leads to the miner to the next block and rewarded with Lin tail fee from the node don't take over. They have a lot of incentive how you get rewarded. It's very technical. So if you want to get involved with Metanodes, go for it, my friend. They have a big section on the documentation part, I believe. So start running a Metanode, phishing issue, so you can interact with Discord and forum. So let's go jump to the next section. Before moving on, I need to take some coffee. And please don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Press the smash like button. Psh, 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 psh. And as well spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and street at school for great, outstanding content of value made by Uche Satoshi. If you take those actions, you have all my gratitude. Governance, it's yours. The Pound DAO, decentralized anonymous organization, relinquish to the community ownership over a sustainable layer 0. The token models. Marlin separate the responsibility of enacting policy from administering them, just like the control and data plane of a software-defined network. So they have the token pound. Pound can be used to delegate to Marlin node and can be incentivized for operating the relay network correctly. The M-Pound all-in. You can lock 1 million pounds to mint 1 million pounds, and you can redeem 1 M-Pound for a million pounds. So 1 for 1. Probably like a Ropic versions of Pound token, I'm not quite sure. The bridge. Conversion from Pound to M-Pound or vice versa, it's regulated by a bridge to ensure M-Pound is maintained judiciously. So they have a bridge for between the Pound and probably the wiped version of M-Pound, I'm not quite sure. So they have the bridge and M-Pound. They have two tokens, the M-Pound and M-Pound. So the key point. Every Marlin node requires at least 1 million pound in donation to join the network. Only M-Pound holder may be to make proposal or vote in the Pound governance. Conversion from Pound to M-Pound is instantaneous, while the reverse involve a delay. The maximum supply of Pound is 10 billion and M-Pound is 10,000. Staking reward for validator I pay in Pound, while flow min distribute M-Pound. Reward earned by a node is proportional to this propensity of being in the fast path. What does governance entails? The DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, determines pound distribution among different blockchains. The propose, deliberate, and vote. The flow min, to ensure layer 1 perform communities and have to say on this on an ubiquitous layer 0 network, a significant supply of pound has been allocated to our ecosystem growth. So the bandwidth mining, the most integral actor of any protocol bound, is distributed among operators that provide the services with the network. Stake drop. M-Pound will be distributed to layer 1 token holder against token located in native staking mechanisms. Adoption. Flowmin incentivizes usage of Marlin by rewarding only those validators and delegators that install Marlin gateway. Question, even more question. Let's go jump to the last sections. So cool stack. This I'm not quite sure what is it. No, this is something else. Sorry. I finished to talk about this project. So if you enjoy this kind of content, for the love of crypto and coffee, subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Smash the like buttons to get if you enjoy this kind of content. Press the bell notification, bing. So you get notified when new video is coming out every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, because I produce 7 videos right now at Monday through Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And as well, the most important is to spread love about this great channel at your workplace and the street. As cool, you have all my gratitude tools dedication. As well, you can as well subscribe to my newsletter, podcast, and come visit my outstanding website, CC270.com. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow and for another great video from Chez Satoshi. Ciao, ciao, and have a great day ahead.